So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey, I am Gagan Mishra. I am here to take the podcast of the Ritu. She is from actually Pune, and she has done her internship at the Barclays, and the Barclays is means आपको पता है कि बहुत अच्छी कंपनी है guys. So we will know कि उसने means दीदी ने means कैसे prepare किया था उसके लिए, and so let's meet him guys and know about all the things she prepared. आप उन्होंने कौन से प्रोजेक्ट पे काम किया था एंड कौन से प्रोजेक्ट उनके सेलेक्ट हुए थे गाइस. सो लेट्स मीट इन.
So, hi Ritu Riddhi. So,
Hi.
please, can you give your introduction from you where you are and all?
Yeah, so I'm from PICT Pune. I'm currently a fourth year engineering student and my course is computer engineering. So I'm
Okay, okay,
basically
okay,
from Sweden. Right. Yeah.
okay. Can you means आप बता सकते हैं कि आपने कोडिंग जर्नी मीन्स कहाँ से स्टार्ट किया था कोडिंग वगैरह
हाँ,
वगैरह.
एक्चुअली मैंने कोडिंग लाइक फर्स्ट ईयर में सब्जेक्ट्स थे तो आई स्टार्टेड प्रिपेयरिंग फ्रॉम देन. सो फर्स्टली मैंने पाइथन सीखा, देन आई वेंट फॉर सी, देन सी प्लस प्लस एंड देन फिर आई वेंट ऑन टू लर्निंग जावा. So फिर in Java I went to advanced Java, then Java development, full stack Java development, and yeah,
Okay, means from which year you started?
since first year.
Since first year. Okay, okay. And when you got this opportunity to crack the Barclay, it was on campus or off campus?
Yeah, it was a on-campus internship experience, and like they
Hmm.
came in September, means after starting of first third year first semester, they come usually.
ओके ओके मीन्स एंड आपने फिर डीएसए वगैरह तो किया होगा मीन्स पूरे सेकेंड ईयर में हुआ होगा आपका डीएसए कड़कता फड़कता. ओके.
Actually, I did some basic, मतलब जितना second year में लग रहा था, I did that much. और बाकी तो I tried going to GFG lead code, but I wasn't able to maintain that consistency which other people do.
ओके.
I was a bit resistant towards doing coding, but like yeah, basic
या
things I
मीन्स
did.
डीएसए में तो वो ही मैटर्स करता है मीन्स हाउ वी आर कंसिस्टेंट अबाउट और हाउ वी आर कंसिस्टेंट टू डूइंग क्वेश्चन सॉल्विंग पर डे और एनीथिंग. मीन्स
Right.
सेकेंड ईयर में मीन्स आपने मीन्स कौन से यू यूजिंग एनी कोडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स फॉर सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चंस.
Second year actually it's a starting phase for coding. So people tell अरे code shape करो, अरे GFG कर ले, अरे lead code कर ले, अरे ये कर ले वो कर ले. So I was like मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा I like doing it on GFG because there were questions starting from basic level to higher level, and they were like questions where like we can understand, we can gain something, और जैसे basics बहुत अच्छे से prepare होता है GFG से. So I preferred that. And then going to lead code, but उसी से पहले I got bachelor, so
ओके
I
ओके.
didn't
आपने मीन्स
continue
लिट
that.
कोड उतना यूज नहीं किया. हाँ.
Because I didn't do that.
Okay. आपने मीन्स कौन से प्रोजेक्ट्स पे वगैरह काम किया मीन्स और वेब और
So
एनीथिंग विच
हाँ,
डोमेन्स.
I was like पहले तो I did all the core languages, programming languages. Then I went for learning full stack Java. So in full stack
ओके
Java, I learned Java, AWT, Swing. Then I worked on full stack projects like AWT and Swing for front end, and then MySQL for back end.
ओके ओके मीन्स दिस वर द प्रोजेक्ट यू मेड एट थर्ड मीन्स सेकंड ईयर और फर्स्ट ईयर.
So I was doing it in second year, second semester. Since then, I started doing the projects.
सेकंड सेमेस्टर. ओके ओके
Second year, second
मीन्स
semester,
ओके.
like fourth
बट
semester.
आप हाँ बट यू आर नोइंग कि भाई कॉलेज में आने वाले कंपनीज एंड
हाँ,
बाय द वे
we
मीन्स
were
पीआईसीटी का कोडिंग कल्चर मीन्स कैसा था बताएंगे आप जरा.
PICT में like there are very pro coders people. So they are consistent into coding. They always appear for the contests and they do that Saturday Sunday. जो भी they have scheduled for that, they do that. They crack it. most of the people are like the masters or you say what is that in code forces?
Candidate
Uh,
master at the code
yeah,
forces.
yeah. So they have
Okay.
reached that level. Yeah.
Oh, you didn't try for that. Means आपने कभी try नहीं किया कि मेरे को भी competitive programming and
I
all
just
that
did.
things.
I just did like starting. I was consistent for some time, but like
Hmm.
I after that the consistency wasn't the same. So I left it and I was doing at my own pace. So I did at my own pace. Yeah.
Okay, means did you follow any sheet और जैसे अभी तो चल रहा है कि ट्रैवल शीट और फ्राज शीट और लव बब्बर शीट्स वगैरह वगैरह Means आपने कौन सी शीट फॉलो किया आपने कौन से
मैंने
डायरेक्ट कोर्सेज किए
तो मैंने लव बबर शीट स्टार्ट किया था एंड आई वाज लाइक
Hmm.
मैंने हाफ ऑफ द शीट आई डिड इट बिफोर माय इंटर्नशिप
Oh,
कोडिंग या
अच्छा अच्छा ओके ओके व्हाट यू थिंक कि अभी जो फ्रेशर्स आ रहे मींस इफ दे अभी तो ज्वाइन हो रहे मींस फर्स्ट ईयर व्हाट शुड डू दे मींस उन्होंने क्या करना चाहिए अभी मींस फर्स्ट ईयर बिकॉज वी एज आप तो नहीं हो टीयर 3 बट फ्रॉम द टीयर 3 कॉलेज की बंदे बहुत फ्री होते हैं कि भाई उन्होंने कुछ किया वगैरह कुछ नहीं रहता मींस करते भी नहीं है फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट ईयर सेकंड ईयर आल्सो दे यूज्ड टू एंजॉय ऑल द टाइम ओनली फर्स्ट ईयर आप क्या मीन्स क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हो कि किसी ने करना चाहिए फर्स्ट ईयर में
So first year में basically students shouldn't go for that competitive coding and all that. They should
हम्म,
firstly prepare on the core languages. They should have a grip on the core languages so that they can
हम्म,
proceed further. They can understand what is competitive coding actually. So in first year they should focus only on that, and then from starting from second year they also get the DSA and all subjects, advanced DSA, core DSA. So they can proceed to DSA on in competitive coding.
ओके एज यू क्रैक द बार्कलेज इंटरव्यूज मींस उनके राउंड्स कितने हुए थे आप जरा बताएंगे उसके बारे में
It was a two-round process. First was a coding and MCQ round, and combined coding and MCQ round, and the second one was technical and HR interview. It was also combined technical and HR.
ओके 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 मींस फर्स्ट राउंड में एक्चुअली हुआ क्या था आपके जरा बताएंगे आप
First, in the first round, I had two coding questions which were of
हम्म,
medium level. Like maybe on students get different type of questions. I got on dynamic programming, and
हम्म,
its next one was a linked list based question. So
ओके
it
ओके
they are medium level questions. Students can easily crack them if they have a good coding knack. And next was MCQ. MCQs were also there. There were approx 30 MCQs, and they
हम्म,
were small Java snippets. So you have to guess the output based on the code snippets. So you have to
ओके
be good at
एंड
Java.
हाँ
You should have a
ओके एंड अबाउट द सेकंड राउंड
And from going to my second round, it was a great interview experience. It was the first interview that I gave in my whole journey. So the round went on by asking the classical question, "Tell me about yourself." So the so you have to respond in a way where you can express most of the yourself, who you are, where are you from, what are you. So like you can also tell about your hobbies, interests, and then you can then take this question to proceeding with your projects. If you have a better project, then the interviewer might get impressed by this thing. So he would go on asking other questions on based on your project. So I did the same.
ओके
I had a good project, so I mentioned it in the first question itself. So he was quite interested, and then he went on asking questions based on my project.
ओके ओके मींस सेकंड राउंड में मींस प्रोजेक्ट डिस्कशन वगैरह ही हुआ था आपका
Huh. Project
ओके
discussion,
एंड
actually, it is a technical interview. They also ask questions on basic OOPS, DBMS, CNS. Yeah.
ओके ओके एंड क्या बोलते हैं उस मींस आपने बोले ना कि प्रोजेक्ट्स में आपने वही प्रोजेक्ट्स किए थे ऑन द सेम डोमेन और एनीथिंग आपने एमएल एआई वगैरह भी ट्राई किया था
नहीं, उस टाइम पे I had just one project like full stack
हम्म,
Swing and MySQL.
ओके ओके एंड व्हाट अबाउट द एचआर राउंड मींस एचआर राउंड मेरे को भी मींस हमारे मींस एज आई एम फ्रॉम द टीयर 3 कॉलेज मेरे को भी पूछते हैं व्हाट इज अबाउट द एचआर राउंड क्या आप बता सकते हैं एचआर राउंड में एक्चुअली होता है क्या है वो तो मुझे भी नहीं मालूम है
HR round is just like a basic discussion round. The HR gets to know what type of person you are actually. So, what are your thinking abilities? Where can you put yourself in various situations? So, they go on asking you, they give you a situational questions and
ओके
they ask you ki, if this is there, then what would you do? Then, if that is there, what would you do? Like that. And they, in Barclays, it's mostly you should align your answers to their values. That is rises. Rises is a Barclays value. So you should align your answers based on that so that they
ओके
get
ओके
impressed. Yeah.
एंड हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस इन बार्कलेस
It was a great, indeed, great experience. And it's very good to work at Barclays because their work-life balance, their flexibility for working, and the best thing I like about Barclays is like there's no work pressure. They are
ओ
like, yes, you can do, you can do. They never put a pressure. आज ही चाहिए, आज ही करना है. ऐसे, they don't put pressure.
ओके ओके मींस आप जरा वर्क कल्चर के बारे में बताएंगे वर्क कल्चर कैसा है वहाँ का
A work culture is like it's a very chill environment.
हम्म
I'll go on describing about the Barclays campus. So it's
हम्म
a great campus. They have great interior, great exterior, and it's a two buildings they have. Then they also have like uh, various cafes inside the building. They have
हम्म
canteens, and the canteens have wide range of food. Like from you can ask for Chinese, South Indian, continental, everything they have, and that's the best part I like about Barclays. And also
ओके
the good thing is that they have a base for the base level. They have ARBR games, football, tennis, everything, badminton. They then after 5 p.m. there's a dhaba there. So all the employees after finishing their
ओके
work, they come and chill there after 5.
ओके ओके मीन्स मेरे भी भैया है वहां पे मीन्स अभी वो सॉफ्टवेयर एज अ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर वर्क कर रहे हैं एज बार्कले ओनली एट द पुणे ओनली मीन्स आपकी
हाँ हाँ
लोकेशन वाज एट पुणे और चेन्नई और
पुणे पुणे
एनीथिंग एल्स पुणे ओनली ना हाँ
हाँ,
तो भैया भी बताते मीन्स द वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस एंड अबाउट ऑल द थिंग्स अबाउट बार्कले कि
या
कितनी अच्छी है वगैरह 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 बाय द वे मीन्स आपने मीन्स और कौन से प्रोजेक्ट पे वहां पे काम किया था
उधर पहले तो we were assigned with Jira automation tasks. So
हम्म
we had to go through what is Jira, how the Jenkins pipelines work, and all that. So we
हम्म
went through them. Then after that, there was an ongoing dashboard project. So we were asked to work on that. Uh, we were asked to assist them who were already working on that. Then they assigned some tasks to us, and then we did that. Then for dashboard project, we also designed the login page. We were two interns in the same team, so my colleague she did the front end part, and I was working on back end Spring Boot part.
Okay, okay. Means which means I can ask. I am asking about कि आपने means कौन से valuable skills वहाँ पे सीखे means that are means much important for you, your personality development or anything.
The valuable skills that I learned is everybody is respected there. Nobody
Hmm.
is like they're discriminated based on their type of work they do.
Hmm.
Everybody is same, and this is the best part that I like there.
Okay, okay. Means हम तो ठीक है अभी बट अभी हम सेकेंड ईयर में आते हैं मीन्स अभी अपने तो थर्ड ईयर में थर्ड ईयर के फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में आपने निकाला था बार्कलेस देन यू आपने कभी ट्राई नहीं किया कि मीन्स सेकेंड ईयर में वगैरह मीन्स आफ्टर द हॉलीडेज ऑफ अ सेकेंड ईयर मीन्स एज अ इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटीज और एनीथिंग
After second year.
या
So actually second year के बाद I started preparing for on campus जो internships के लिए आ रहे थे because I
ओ
had to crack the best internship. So I started preparing for that.
अच्छा अच्छा एंड मीन्स आपने मीन्स सेकेंड ईयर के बारे में बताया मीन्स आप बता सकते हैं कि एज आई एम फ्रॉम अ सेकेंड ईयर सो हाउ कैन आई प्रिपेयर फॉर द how can I prepare for the best companies, how can I crack the companies in second year means लोग तो second year के last में ही means after the holidays of a second year ही वहाँ पे ही crack करते हैं. So बता सकते हैं आप इन second year का road map means कैसे क्या follow करना चाहिए, आपने कौन से गलतियां की है वो करना नहीं चाहिए.
Right. So पहली तो बात like you get more chances of getting selected on campus than off
Hmm.
campus. But if you have good skills, then off campus is not harder for you. It's
Hmm.
also easy to crack. And the next thing is like you should go on. You should maintain consistency in coding,
Hmm.
and then you should have good projects in your resume. Maybe everybody is nowadays going into web dev. कोई भी आके web dev कर रहा है, development कर रहा है. So I think students should go for learning new technologies like ML, AI, or something in cloud. Maybe recruiters would be attracted more towards that. Ki you have done this in your second year of engineering.
हाँ.
So maybe your chances of getting selected increases.
Okay. Means आपने after tracking means आपका internship कितने महीने तक means how
It
much
was
months?
a 8 week internship, like 2 months internship.
2 months internship. Means after the internship आपने means और कौन से domains explore किए? Means आपने बोले आपने पहले means पहले AI ML वगैरह कुछ explore नहीं किए थे. Means अभी आप कौन से projects पे काम कर रहे हैं AI ML और blockchain anything?
Abhi I am going into data science. I am doing
Oh,
courses and working on data science projects.
okay. और एक बात की मीन्स आपके आपके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से एज अ कॉम्पिटिटिव प्रोग्रामिंग आपको क्या लगता है मीन्स सही है मीन्स द स्टूडेंट शुड डू और मीन्स डीएसए से भी हो जाएगा.
My point of view, DSA से भी हो जाएगा. There's no need you
हम्म,
should rush into competitive coding. Like
हम्म,
it's almost same. Because you don't know what kind of questions they ask. At that point of time, you have to apply your own logic. So if you are better at DSA, then you can easily crack questions.
हाँ ओके मीन्स हाँ वो भी है बट इफ एनीवन इज डूइंग सीपी then that guy's opportunities increases what means what I think about the CP and the problem solving skills also increases by that guy if any person is doing the CP.
So from my opinion, I never was more into CP. So I could relate to that. Like there's no need to go into CP that much. If you have
Hmm.
your base that strong, then you
Hmm.
can go like because in interviews also most of the time the DSA rounds are there. So they go on asking you questions based on linked list, tag, queue. They never ask competitive coding like questions. So I don't think it would be
Okay.
students should go for that CP, according to my opinion.
Okay. And आपने मीन्स कोई डीएसए में मीन्स ऑब्स्टैकल्स बिकॉज व्हेन आई वाज लर्निंग द डीएसए मीन्स मैंने रिकर्जन में आके छोड़ दिया था एक्चुअली. रिकर्जन में छोड़ा तो नहीं था मीन्स आई वाज कांट एबल टू डू द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ अ लीड कोड बट फिर भी मीन्स आफ्टर द 1 week or 2 weeks आई हैड स्टार्टेड सो एनी
Hmm.
डिफिकल्टीज इन आप मीन्स आपको
So
कोई डिफिकल्टीज आई.
difficulties like मैंने linked list tag queue से आगे कभी गई नहीं. I I didn't do trees, graphs. I felt it बहुत difficult है मुझसे नहीं होगा. So I never did that. And dynamic programming, recursion, that is also not my part. I never went to them.
हाँ बट आप मीन्स आपने बोले ना मीन्स इन द सेकंड इन फर्स्ट राउंड देयर वाज अ क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू द डीपीएस एंड देन
It
हाउ
was
डिड यू
related
सॉल्व
to
दैट.
DP, but like I had my good command on array strings and linked list. So at that point, I got the logic and I did that. It
ओके
wasn't too
ओके
hard question. It was a medium level question, so I cracked that.
ओके मीन्स आपने वो अभी तक मीन्स अभी तो किए ही होंगे आपने वो टॉपिक्स मीन्स
हाँ,
अभी आपका प्लेसमेंट भी
at that
चालू होगा
point
मीन्स
नहीं था prepared. अभी मैंने सब prepare किया.
एंड नाउ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द प्लेसमेंट बिकॉज द प्लेसमेंट सीजन विल कम सून आई थिंक.
No, actually I got PPO from Barclays, so I'm
ओके
not for placements.
Oh, okay. अच्छा, ये सही मीन्स आई वाज नॉट नोइंग कि भाई पीपीओ भी देती है मीन्स बार्कले इज प्रोवाइडिंग पीपीओ फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स.
Yeah, they give.
Okay, okay, so congrats for the new role means
Thank you.
as a software developer you are working at the Barclay, no?
Yeah, software development.
Okay,
Mostly
okay.
you have to work on AWS, Spring, maybe Hadoop.
Hmm. अच्छा मीन्स आप अभी कोई भी प्लेसमेंट्स और एनीथिंग नहीं बैठ रहे मीन्स
Nahin.
प्लेसमेंट.
Actually, college doesn't allow if you once you are placed, they doesn't allow you to sit for companies which come for below 20 lakhs. So above 20 lakhs you can sit. So for that I'll
Oh, okay. अभी कितने मीन्स कैन यू टेल अबाउट द नाउ पीपीओ got from the uh, Barclay
you're asking about
मीन्स आप.
CTC
हाँ,
salary.
सीटीसी. हाँ, या.
Okay. So maybe they haven't specified yet, but maybe they can go up to 14 or 15 in that range.
बाय द वे उनका बेस सैलरी कितना है?
Base depends on the CTC. If the CTC is 14, then you get base salary 12.5 like that.
Okay. Means हाँ, there are some software engineers who are working beyond the 20 CTC.
Yeah.
And yeah, there is my brother, so I know about it.
Yeah, after switching, you get for fresher it's 15, like, but after that they increase your CTC.
After promotion or after some years. Okay. So so there we will end the session here.
Yeah,
So thank you, Ritu, for sharing your wonderful journey and congrats for cracking the new and so thank you for coming here and sharing your wonderful journey.
thank you so much.
Okay.
It was great giving you an interview.
So thanks.
Thank you.